In the last video, we have covered exercise 2.1. Here in 2.2, we will continue solving the linear equation, but with more complicated form. Like, first question of the exercise is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equals to x by 3 and plus 1 by 4. First, the same thing, we will separate the variable, means the term which is with x will bring on one side and the constant term on another side. This is 5. And then to add fraction number, we know we need to take LCM. So here 2 and 3, the LCM is 6. Equate the denominator. So 3 into 2, here I need to multiply by 3. So it is 3x minus 2x. On right hand side, LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Make the denominator. So in the first term, I need to multiply by 5 to make the denominator 20. And here it is 4. So that is 5 plus 4. Next, it will be 3x minus 2x is x by 6. And then 5 plus 4, 9 by 20. And then simply to get the value of x, I need to transfer 6 on another side, which is 9 by 20 into 6. I can do the cutting, which is 2 3s and 2 10s. So x is 9 into 3 upon 10, which is 27 upon 10. This is the answer. Let's see the second question. It says n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6, and that is equals to 21. The good thing here is all the denominator are different but even number. So taking LCM is going to be little easier. And also all the variables are already separated. So here LCM of 2, 4, 6 is going to be how much? You can calculate. It is 12. So make the denominator equal 12. And here I need to multiply it by 6, here multiplied by 3, and here multiplied by 2. So it is going to be 6n. And here minus it is. So 3 3s are 9n. And then 5 2s are 10n is 21. Next step, I can see 6n plus 10n 16. 16 minus 9 is 7n divided by 12 is 21. Next, if I want to calculate n, as 12 is in division, so another side, it is in multiplication. And the 7 is in multiplication, going another side, it is division. I can do the cutting. 7 1s are, 7 3s are. So n is 3 into 12, and which is 36. So third question. What is third question? X plus 7 minus 8x upon 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. In all the sum, first, the simple thing is to separate the like term. Here, how many are terms with x? So I can see this, then here, and then here. Bring all the terms with x on one side. So x minus 8x by 3, as it is minus on the same side. So it will be minus. Minus 5x by 2 is another side of equal to. So it is going to be plus on left hand side. Remaining number, which is constant term, I'll transfer on another side. So going 7 that side will become minus. Again, here nothing means 1. 1, 3, and 2. The LCM is 6. Equate the denominator into 6. Here into 2. Here into 3. So this is going to be 6x, 16x, and then 15x. Right hand side, again, LCM is 6. Here nothing means 1. Make the denominator 6. So 17, and then 7 6 are 42. Here I can see the whole division has 6 and here also 6. So I can cut this. Why? Because when these 6 will go another side, it is in division. So next side, it will become in multiplication. And I can cancel these two. So without transferring also, I can cancel. Here, when I subtract, so 15 plus 6 is 19. 21. 21 minus 16 is how much? It is 5x. And that is equals to, here you can subtract. It is 5 and then 2. 25 minus 25. Because the 42 is of bigger number. So after subtracting the bigger number sign. So x is minus 25 upon 5. 5 ones are 5 fives are. So x is minus 5. And this is the answer. See the question number 4. It says x minus 5 whole upon 3 is equals to x minus 3 whole upon 5. As there is a whole upon, whole means full straight line and then there is a division. So here need not to take LCM, and also I cannot separate the variable because one number is for both. So first of all, I'll do cross multiplication. Means 5 will go here in multiplication. That is 5, x minus 5, and 3 will go that side. Now, multiplying the number inside, we will use the distributive property, which we have learned in chapter 1. So here, 5 into x minus 5 into 5. Here, 3 into 3. This will give you 15x minus 25. 3, not 15, sorry, this is only 5x. 5x minus 25, 3x minus 9. Now separate the variable. So 5x, 3x minus 9 plus 25. 5x minus 3x is 2x. And here 25 minus 9 is 16. So x is nothing but 16 by 2 means x is 8. Question number 5. It says 3t minus 2 whole upon 4 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3 is equals to 2 upon 3 minus t. One thing to notice here is this minus, as it is in between, not in front of 2t. So the minus is for both 2t also and 3 also. Many times kids have confusion that this minus will also go for division. No, this is only you have to give one place, either in numerator or in denominator. Most of the time we give this negative sign to the numerator. And also they are in fraction. So definitely to subtract, I need to take LCM. So LCM of 4 and 3, we know very well it is 12. Now make the denominator equal. So I need to multiply 4 by 3. But in numerator, if I'll write like this, so I will think the 3 is getting multiplied with 2 only. But no, I need to multiply 3 with both the number. That is why I'll put bracket. Here also 4. And to avoid the confusion, I'll do multiplied by 4. So it will be 3, 3t minus 2, in here minus, then 4, 2t plus 3. On right hand side, again 3 and 1, the LCM is 3. Make the denominator equal 2 minus 3t. Now one thing to notice here, like in the previous question, we can cut the denominator if it is whole upon. Whole upon means one single line. Here 3 and 3 I cannot cancel. But here 3 ones are and 3 fours are I can definitely. Here previously the original question there was 3 and here 3 I could not cut because it was not the whole upon. Now multiply inside, which is 3 3s are 90 minus 6. And here the minus will go for both. So 8t minus 12 and whole upon 4. And here 2 minus 3t. Next step, here 90 minus 8t. See, here also I am shifting 8 here. But as it is not changing the side, side changing means when it is crossing the equal sign. Suppose 3t is coming this side, as it is crossing the equal sign, that time we'll say that it is changing the side. Here also minus 6 minus 12 whole upon 4 and that is 2 minus 3t. This will give you 90 minus 8t is only t. Minus 6 minus 12 is minus 18. Upon 4 is 2 minus 3t. Now coming next step. Here I can take here 1 and cross multiply it because it is a whole upon. So 1 multiplied by t minus 18. Another side it is 4, which is 2 minus 3t. This will give you t minus 18 and 8 minus 12t. We can separate the variable again. So t plus 12t, 8 plus 18. That will give you 13t. And here, how much it is? 26. So when I calculate t, 13 will go for division. 13 ones are 13 twos are. Means the answer is 2. Next question. Here the variable is m. So m minus 1 whole upon 2 is equals to 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. Again, as in the previous question, this minus is for both the term. Here in the denominator, I can take 1 because we are handling with fraction. So I need to take LCM. So here LCM is 2. And the thing is equate denominator. So 2m minus m minus 1. Here I am multiplying by 1. So that is why I need not to write. I just put bracket so that I can give this minus sign to both the term without confusion. Here 1 and 3 will give you LCM 3. Equate the denominator. So 3 and then here multiplied by 1. So need not to write 1. Simply put bracket so that we can distribute the sign. Next step. Just open the bracket 2m minus m plus 1 whole upon 2. Here 3 minus m plus 2 upon 3. I cannot do the cutting here because 2 and 3 does not have common factor. Next 2m minus m is m plus 1 whole divided by 2. And here 3 plus 2, 5 minus m divided by 3. Now as it is whole upon, after whole upon only we can cross multiply. So 3 m plus 1 is equals to 2, 5 minus m. Next step is going to be 3m plus 3 is equals to 10 minus 2m. Now separate the variable 2m plus 3m. 3m and shifting 2m left hand side will become plus 10 minus 3. Here it is 5m which is 7. So m is nothing but 7 by 5. The seventh question, they says, simplify and solve the linear equation. It's the same to same as previous one, nothing changed. It's a just different wording or terms they have used. Does not matter. Here also we need to solve the linear equation. So seventh question says 3t minus 3. Just one second. It says 3t minus 3 is equals to 5 and then 2t plus 1. So first of all, we need to open the bracket. So the number will get distributed. Right hand side, 10t plus 5. Separate the variable, 3t minus 10t and then 5 plus 9. 3t minus 10t is minus 7t and which is 14. So here, t is nothing but 14 minus 7. We can do the cutting, 7 ones are, 7 twos are. And t is 2 upon minus 1, which is nothing but minus 2. Remember one thing over here, as I told you in the tips section of the previous video, that while transferring minus 7 to another side, only it will go for division and will not change the sign. Because at a one time, only one thing changes. As minus 7 is going for the division from the multiplication, though, so the sign will not change. Only it will go for division. Let's see the eighth question. Eighth question says 15 y minus 4 minus 2. Just one second. Y minus 9 plus 5 y plus 6 is equals to 0. We need to solve this. Here, first open the bracket. So 15 into y, 15y, 15 into 4, 16. Then here minus 2y, minus minus plus. So 2 into 9, 18. 5y plus 30 is equals to 0. This is also linear equation, y equation, because there is a equal sign. As another side, it is 0, does not matter. For for qualifying the definition of equation is there should be equal sign in the algebraic expression, and there is equal, so it is an equation. Now separating the variable, 15y minus 2y plus 5y. As I told in the previous question also, like they are not changing this side. It is just shifting their position. So the sign will not change. And here minus 60 plus 18 plus 30. Here I am separating the variable term, but on the same side. Solving this will give you 18y. These two will get added up, which is 20 minus 2 is 18. And here these two is going to add, which is 48. 48 minus 16 is 12. Is equals to 0, which is 18y, and 12 will go that side, so it is 0 plus 12. If you want y, 0 plus 12 is 12 upon 18. We can do the cutting using 6. 6 2s and, sorry, here 6 3s are. So y ka value is 2 by 3. Next question, 9th is 5z minus 7 minus 2, 9. Somebody pronounce it Z, somebody pronounce it Z. So I get confused. So many times even I do the same thing. So here, as of now, I'm taking as Z. So 9z minus 11 is equals to 4. 8z minus 13 minus 17. So let's solve it. See, sometimes the question looks big, but actually it is not. While we apply the formula and solve it, it is quite easy. So see here, it is just multiplying the number inside the bracket. So 15z minus 21 minus 18z, because minus 2 will get multiplied inside. There is a bracket and 2 is outside with minus. So minus 2 will get multiplied inside. 11 2s are 22. 8 4s are 32. Z, 32z. 52 minus 17. Now 15 minus 18z will give you minus 3z. Minus 22 plus 22 is plus 1. Another side, 32z minus 52 minus 17 will give you 69. Now separate the variable. Minus 3z minus 32z is minus 69 minus 1, which will give you minus 35z, and here minus 70. Transferring the number, it is in multiplication, we'll go for division. Minus 35. First of all, minus minus cancel. 35, 1s and 2s. So z is 2 over here. So the answer is 2. Now, last question of the exercise, which is in the form of decimal, 0.25. Here, 4f minus 3 is equals to 0.05 and 10f minus 9. Solving decimal is always confusing because after multiplying, where to put decimal, many times many of the kids have that confusion. So to avoid that, what we can do, after decimal there are 2 digits. Here also after decimal 2 digits. So we can multiply by 100 both sides so that we can remove the decimal. Multiply both sides by 100. So this is the rule. You can multiply by same number on both sides of the equation, or you can add, subtract, or divide the same number. It is not going to affect your original equation or the value of the variable. It does not affect at all. So here, when I multiply by 100, 0.25, 4f minus 3, right hand side also 100, 0.05, 10f minus 9. So this will give you 25, 4f minus 3. Here 0.05 into 100 is 5. That is 10f minus 9. As in the previous question, if suppose equal to is there and the both side have same number or a number which is a multiple, we can do the cutting. Even though there are number like 5 here in numerator and suppose 25 here, as here is the case, here also you can do the cutting because anyways this is 5 is in multiplication another side. When it will come to left, it is going to be division. So if it is division, we can cut it. So 5 ones are 5 fives are. So the simplified equation is 4f minus 3 and then 10f minus 9. Multiply 5 inside. So 20f minus 15 will give you 10f minus 9. Separate the variable. I'm solving here. So 20f minus 10f, another side minus 9 plus 15. So this is 10f and minus 15 plus 9 is 6. So f is 6 upon 10. See, you can do the cutting also. 2 3s are and 2 5s are and then 3 upon 5. As there the number was in decimal, so it is better to give the answer in decimal. So 3 by 5 is 0.6 and that is the answer. So in which form they have given the question, always answer in the same term. If they have given in fraction, give the answer in fraction. If they have given in terms of variable, answer in terms of variable. So that's about the second chapter. We have finished here. In case any queries, please comment me. And for online classes, you can mail me. Take care and bye-bye. Happy studying.